Here a set of symbols is given, a production with set of symbols is given, and we have to find the intersection of fall of T dash and fall of F. Let us find fall of T dash first. So because of this production, follow of T dash is nothing but follow of T. If we observe the first production, follow of T is nothing but dollar. And also if we see this production, follow of T will become right brace. So here we will be getting follow of T dash as dollar and right brace. Now let us find follow of F. Because of the production T gives F T dash, follow of F will become first of T dash. Here first of T dash is star and epsilon. Since first of T dash contains epsilon, here follow of F would become follow of T. Why? Because here follow first of T dash contains epsilon. Here follow of T is dollar and right brace. So we will be getting follow of F as star, dollar and right brace. So if we find the intersection of follow of T dash and follow of F, we will be getting as dollar and right brace, which is option B.
Here the question is, consider the following synchronous sequential circuit. Here the counter is given. Here we need to decide what is the modulus of this circuit and how many number of states that are not reachable. Here we know always dA equals to 1, dB equals to B bar, dC equals to B exclusive C. If we assume initially as 0 0 0, then for the first clock pulse we will get 1 1 0, second clock pulse we will get 1 0 1, third clock pulse we will get 1 1 1, fourth clock pulse 1 0 0, for fifth clock pulse we will get 1 1 0. Means the sequence is going to be repeated after every 4 clock cycles. Means it is having 4 distinct states. 4 distinct states means number of the modulus of the counter is 4. Again, how many variables it is having? A, B, C, 3 variables means how many number of states possible? 2 power 3 means 8. Means how many states that are not reachable are also 4. So hence the answer B is correct.
For intermediate COCOMO model, the cost drivers like main storage constraint, execution time constraint, use of software tools, and required software reliability are given. Also, prediction of basic COCOMO model is given as 35% months. We need to estimate the adjusted effort. Adjusted effort is equal to main storage constraint into execution time constraint into of software tools into required software reliability into prediction of basic COCOMO model. Prediction of basic COCOMO model. So if we substitute the values 1.33 into 1.22 into 1.14 into 1.50 into 35 person months. We'll be getting adjusted effort approximately 97 person months, which is option A. Here, a hash table is given and total number of locations is 10. Total number of locations is equal to 10, and total number of keys is 5. Keys is equal to 5, and we have to find the probability of the event in which all 5 keys hash to the different locations in the hash table. So the required probability would be is equal to, in the numerator, for the first key we'll be having 10 possibilities, and for the next key only 9, because it has to, second key has to hash to the different location than the first one. For the third key only 8 possibilities, and for the fourth 7, and for the fifth 6. By in the denominator we'll be getting 10 into, for the first key 10 possibilities. That means total number of, in the denominator we'll be getting total number of arrangements. So 10 into up to 5 times for the 5 keys. For each and every key we'll be having 10 possibilities. So this is nothing but 10p5 by 10 power 5, which is equal to 10 factorial by 10 power 5 into 5 factorial, which is option A. In the second question, we have to find the probability of event in which there will be at least one collision. So the required probability would be 1 minus no collision. 1 minus no collision. 1 minus no collision means, just now we have solved 10 factorial by 10 power 5 into 5 factorial. So 1 minus 10 factorial by 10 power 5 into 5 factorial, which is equal to 6976 by 10 power 4, which is option D.